Seed treatments. Many seeds from commercial sources are already treated with fungicides to prevent damping off. If they are not, or if they are homegrown seeds, they should be treated. Adequate light is essential for healthy transplants. Germinating media. Although soil and potting mixtures may be used, they are not necessary to ensure germination. Vermiculite, sphagnum moss, sand, perlite, or sterile material that can be kept moist is satisfactory. Sterilized media is required to prevent damping off disease from killing seedling. Seedling surface should be firm but not hard to provide good contact between soil and seed. Wood and plastic can be sterilized with a mix of 1 part chlorine bleach to 9 parts water. Clean containers first and let stand in bleach solution for 30 minutes. You must dry them well before use. Now let us study about seeding and growing of transplants. First is seeding. Space seeds well apart. Plant in rows if more than one type of seed is used. Next is covering seeds. Cover seeds very lightly. Generally, fine seeds need no cover at all if kept moist. In case they are covered, the surface should be firmed to ensure good seed soil contact. Make sure that the cover should be to a depth of 2 times the seed diameter. Generally, lettuce and celery seeds require light for germination. Then comes watering. Water seeds gently but thoroughly. Next is covering the container. A plastic cover, plastic wrap or wet newspaper may be used to keep seeds moist until they germinate. And the second last step is place in an area where the temperature is about 70 degree Fahrenheit. Heat at the bottom of container hastens seed germination. Avoid placing covered containers in direct sunlight. A few plants such as snapdragon, sweet pea, cabbage, broccoli, larkspur and cauliflower starts best at about 55 degree Fahrenheit. Now the last step. After germination, new seedlings need light and fresh air. Remove the newspapers, glass or plastic covers as soon as seedlings appear. Now let's have a look at procedure to be followed while transplanting seedlings. In this slide, we have shown an illustration explaining in brief the procedure of transplanting seeds. First is harden off your